Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Facebook post. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Facebook app. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your Facebook account. Now just on top you can see a text that says what's on your mind. Simply tap on that text. Now once you are here, you can simply type what's on your mind. Now let me type something here. You can type anything according to your preference. You can also choose various colors for your background given at the bottom. Now once you have typed your status, you can see various options at the bottom. These are the options that you can add to your Facebook post. Now just at the bottom, you can see a small bar just given above these options. Tap on it. With that, various options will appear on your screen. Now simply tap on the option of music. Now various songs will appear on your screen. You can also search for songs according to your mood. So let me search a song according to a mood. Let's say I want to search for something happy. Now if you scroll down below, you can see various songs. So if you tap on the three dots just beside each and every song, you can see three of these options. You can select the song, you can save the song, or even report the audio. You can also directly tap on the song and the song will be added to your post. You can also add media to your post by tapping on the option of add media. With that, your gallery will be opened. Now choose any photo or videos from your gallery. So for instance, I'm just going to select this photo right over here. Now you can see the album cover. You can arrange it on the photo according to your preference. Now you'll see various options for your photo as well. You can also add various filters to your photos that are given below. Apart from this, you can add text and even tag people on your post. Now after making all these changes to your post, you can simply tap on the option of post at the top right corner of your screen. Now let's wait for some time until your post is uploading. This may take some time. Now after your post has successfully been uploaded, you can see that your post has a music on it. If you tap on the post, the music will be played on your post that you had uploaded. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to add music to your Facebook post. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.